Thank you for buying this toiletry organizer from Fixture Displays. This organizer is made from heavy gauge stainless steel wire, polished to perfection. This is an excellent way to keep your makeup, your shampoos, your lotions, etc., or toothbrushes and cups organized in a fashion that is professional and beautiful and perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Do browse FixtureDisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Fixture Displays design and manufacture a wide variety of business and consumer products. In addition to stock items, we also custom make. If you have a project you wish to get a competitive bid, we love that opportunity. In addition to this runway shape, we also have a more curved shape, a sister item. The item numbers are 215 and 216. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.